What does it take to build a business empire from scratch? How do entrepreneurs navigate international trade, raise capital, and face ethical dilemmas? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of Guru 2007, a Bollywood masterpiece inspired by the rise of business tycoon Dhirubhai Ambani. This is not just a movie breakdown, it's a powerful case study on international business, stock markets, and corporate ethics. Whether you're a student, an aspiring entrepreneur, or a business enthusiast, this is a lesson you don't want to miss. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss insightful business case studies. International trade strategy. Guru, played brilliantly by Abhishek Bachchan, starts as a small-town dreamer who refuses to settle for a simple job. Instead, he takes a huge risk, venturing into international trade by importing polyester fabric from Turkey. At a time when India was dominated by expensive textile monopolies, Guru saw an opportunity, bringing affordable, high-quality fabric to Indian markets. Real-world example. This is exactly how Zara disrupted the fashion industry. Instead of producing all its clothes in one country, it imports fabrics from multiple suppliers worldwide, ensuring low costs and high quality. The result? Faster production cycles and competitive pricing. Business lesson. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, don't just sell products. Find supply chain efficiencies that others ignore. The power of IPOs. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Guru doesn't stop at trading. He wants to build a manufacturing empire. But how? He needs capital. Instead of taking loans, he does something revolutionary. He raises money through an IPO, initial public offering. Why is this a game changer? An IPO allows a company to sell shares to the public, raising funds for expansion. Investors become part owners, and the company gets the cash it needs without heavy debt. Real-world example. This is exactly how Reliance Industries became a business empire. In the late 1970s, Dhirubhai Ambani convinced ordinary Indians to invest in his company through an IPO. Today, Reliance is one of India's largest corporations with a global presence. Comparison with Tesla. Elon Musk used the same strategy to raise capital for Tesla's expansion. Instead of relying only on bank loans, Tesla went public in 2010, which helped fund its global growth and dominance in the electric vehicle market. Business lesson. An IPO isn't just about raising money, it's about building a loyal investor base that supports long-term growth. Ethical dilemmas. Business or manipulation? But as his empire grows, so do the controversies. Guru faces accusations of stock market manipulation, political lobbying, and bypassing regulations. Was he a visionary businessman or someone who bent the rules for success? Real-world example. A similar story unfolded with the Satyam scandal, 2009 in India, where the company falsely inflated its profits to attract investors. When the truth came out, the company collapsed and thousands of investors lost their money. Comparison with Facebook and Cambridge Analytica? Even tech giants like Facebook have faced ethical scrutiny. The Cambridge Analytica scandal revealed how Facebook's data policies were exploited for political influence, raising questions about business ethics in the digital age. So was Guru a hero or a businessman who broke the rules to succeed? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Business lesson. Taking shortcuts might bring quick success, but long-term business growth requires trust, transparency, and ethical decision-making. Business lessons from Think Global from day one. International trade opens up massive opportunities. Example, Apple sources components globally to keep costs low. Use stock markets to scale. IPOs provide long-term funding without debt. Example, Amazon used public funding to expand into new markets. Build trust with investors. Small investors can be your biggest strength. Example, Reliance's IPO model empowered middle-class investors. Ethics matter. Shortcuts might work temporarily, but integrity builds lasting businesses. Example, Tata Group's long-standing reputation for ethical business practices. Every great entrepreneur faces challenges, but the key is how they overcome them. Did you enjoy this case study? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with future business leaders. Also, comment below, who is your favorite entrepreneur and why? Stay tuned for more business case studies, startup insights, and entrepreneurship lessons. Until next time, keep learning, keep hustling.